Hello everyone, I am Nikhil Chorsia. Welcome to my new video. Now today my topic is composition of cement. There are 8 major ingredients of cement. First, lime, silica, alumina, magnesia, iron oxide, calcium sulfate, sulfur trioxide, and alkaline. The general percentage of these ingredients in cement is given below. Lime 60 to 65%, silica 17 to 25%, alumina 3 to 8%, magnesia 1 to 3%, iron oxide 0.5 to 6%, calcium sulfate 0.1 to 0.5%, sulfur trioxide 1 to 3%, and alkaline is 0 to 1%. Functions of cement ingredients. The main features of these cement ingredients along with their function and useful or harmful are given below. Lime. Lime is calcium oxide or calcium hydroxide. Lime forms nearly 2/3 of the cement. Therefore, sufficient quantity of the lime must be the raw materials for the manufacturing of cement. Its proportion has an important effect on the cement. Sufficient quantity of lime form dicalcium silicate and tricalcium silicate in the manufacturing of cement. Presence of lime in a sufficient quantity is required to form silicates and aluminates of cement. Excessive presence of lime causes cement to expand and disintegrate. Deficiency in lime reduces the strength of property to the cement. Deficiency in lime causes cement to set quickly. Excess lime makes cement unsound. Silica. Silicon dioxide is known as a silica. Chemical formula is SiO2. Sufficient quantity of silica should be present in cement to dicalcium and tricalcium silicate. Silica imparts strength to cement. Silica usually presents to the cement extent of about 30%. Alumina. Alumina is aluminium oxide. The chemical formula is Al2O3. Alumina imparts quick setting property to the cement. Clinkering temperature is lowered by the presence of requisite quantity of alumina. Excess alumina weakens the cement. Magnesia. Magnesium oxide. Chemical formula is MgO. Magnesia should not be present more than 2% in cement. Excess magnesia will reduce the strength of cement. Iron oxide. Chemical formula is Fe2O3. It acts as a flux. Tricalcium aluminoferrite imparts hardness and strength of cement. At a very high temperature, it imparts into the chemical reaction with calcium and aluminium to form a tricalcium aluminoferrite. Iron oxide imparts color to cement. calcium sulfate. Chemical formula is CaSO4. This is present in a cement the form of gypsum CaSO4 into 2H2O. It is slow down or retards the setting action of cement. Sulfur trioxide chemical formula is SO3. Should not be present more than 2%. Excess sulfur trioxide cause cement to unsound. Last one is alkaline. Should not be present more than 1%. Excess alkaline matter cause inflorescences. Chemical compound of cement. Consist primarily of calcium aluminates and calcium silicates. Calcium aluminates, tricalcium aluminates, C3A, ferrite, C4AF, calcium silicates, alite, C3S and belite, C2S. Thanks for watching this video.